What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Brandon Molina fishing video. We are currently at the gas station. We're filling up the car. We are taking a trip to Corpus Christi to go fish a spillway, or actually it's in Port Aransas. It's a spillway where a lot of warm water's coming out from the plants. If you didn't know, the plants use water for whatever they got to do inside there, and once they're done with it, they flush it out and it's draining to a spillway. And in that spillway, that water goes into the bay, and pretty much the water that's coming out from the plants, the water's hot, and the water out here in the bay is freezing cold because it's like 32 degrees right now here in Texas. So that water gets together and these fish are like, dude, it's freaking warm over here, I'm gonna go chill on this side. Everybody wants to be in the warm area because Texas is crazy with the weather sometimes. So there's gonna be a lot of fish stocked up in that spillway, and there's gonna be a lot of fish. Speckled trout, redfish, flounder, bull reds, bull snooks, tarpon. I don't know what's in store today, but I know there's gonna be some fish in that spillway because they just love being in warm water. So let's just get out of here. We have a long way to go because we are in Houston and we're traveling to Corpus. So we gotta go. When it comes to fishing for quality fish in the winter, it can get very, very hard. I mean, whenever I say quality fish, I'm talking about speckled trouts, redfish, and stuff like that. If you have a boat, you could probably get to the fish because most of these reds during the cold time, you'll see them all in the marsh feeding and stuff, like tailing. And big old trouts are usually in very, very deep pockets, you know. And when it comes to fishing for those type of quality fish, if you don't have a boat or a kayak, it's very hard to locate these fish. And just fishing in general just gets very slow during the winter time unless you got it dialed in, like on these quality fish. But me personally, I wouldn't say I'm dialed in, but I'll still try and find some fish, but it's just not the quality size that the winter is meant for. Usually the winter time, the quality size fish are like 26-inch trouts up to 32-inch trouts, which those are like trophies. And me personally, I think they're very hard to find now, especially in these days. But that's why we're going to Port Aransas to see if we can find some nice quality fish out there. Whenever it comes to like winter fishing, you can go out to the Texas City dike and catch you bull reds and black drums all day long. Winter fishing can be very tough, but if you can dial it in, you're catching fish year round. All right, guys, so we just made our very first stop here at the Texan. We're gonna go ahead and fill up on gas. We're gonna get a drink and some snacks and continue to drive. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get a Red Bull. This one right here is so darn good. Let's go ahead and grab a pizza. Get some Parmesan cheese with it. All right, so we went ahead and stopped right here at the Texan. We got a pizza. Y'all check it out. It looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and put some mozzarella cheese on here, or Parmesan cheese actually. And let's go ahead and take a bite on it. See how it is. It's not bad. It looks like it has hamburger meat, pepperoni, and pieces of bacon. It's definitely a good meal to get heartburns. 100%. The thing that I'm most excited about is this right here. Este está perro. Ooh. It's saying we're gonna arrive there around 9:31. So it's like an hour and 36. Let's keep going. Alright, so we just made it here to the ferry. We're in Aransas Pass right now. We're gonna make it to Port Aransas, and then from there we're gonna drive about 30 more minutes to get into Corpus, and we should be there already. So once we get there, I don't know if we can find a spot to fish or something, or just go to sleep and just wait for the morning. All right, so we are making our way towards the Spillway right now, and you can only get back here if the tide is low, but it's very muddy, and I'm already gassed out. Eric is already up there, Chris and Kevin and Ian are back here behind me, but we're gonna continue to walk and get to hard land. All right, guys, so we just made it here to the Spillway in Texas City Dike.
We're here at the Texas City Flood Meet.
Really a whole mob.
You got that boy Ian.
Eric is blowing sputs hot.
Off day, finally decided to call it an off day. And we're here with Eric Castillo.
Be careful, let's look at the rocks right there. All the way across.
All right. Bro, I was trying to set my drag. Damn, they're slimmy. Caught the very first fish on the. Where at? Oh yeah. I'm gonna let the first one go. Can't do that. Oh shit! I was like, boy, I got a good one. hey, no skunk here, man. We already hooked up, baby.
Eric Castillo, y'all go check him out as well. Fat ass.
Fat.
Fat ass. You got thick.
How is it right here? Huh? Because I had seen all that water starting to come out. Let's go ahead and send one right here. Eric, can I cast real close? Yes, sir. let it sink all the way to the bottom. Good fish. That's my second fish of the day on NOBN again. Not the size that we're looking for. We are looking for a 30-inch trout today. So let's go ahead and send him back home and get back out there. We're just casting it real close to the spill. All that water's rushing out. Look at all this foam right here that's getting created. We're just popping it and letting it sink back down. Whenever we pop it, it goes back down swimming. That's usually when it gets hit. Yeah, I got a good trout right here. On the NOBN once again. That's a solid fish right here. Solid on the NOBN, baby. Look at that. Double up, baby. Dude freaking crushed the NOBN. I hooked mine, then Gigi right behind me. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and release this beautiful trout. Come on, big girl. There you go. Get out of here. I have another lure, and this right here is the Corky, the Paul Brown, all purple color. Let's go ahead and cast it right here again, up close to this current. Oh. On this lure, you just let it sink, and then just quick pops, let it go back down. On the Corky, baby. PB. Dude, freaking first cast. What is that, a red? Beautiful red. Yeah, check that out. Beautiful. On freaking Paul Brown. Thought it was a trout for a second.
What I'm throwing.
Corky?
No.
Exactly 19. Beautiful. Red. All right, let's see if we can rock another one. So pretty much the setup that I'm using is a small little 1,000 size reel. We have a 7-foot rod, medium light, fast action. We have, I think, 15-pound braid, 20-pound mono, and we have a purple color Corky. All we're doing is casting it right here close to the wall. Whoa, that wind is pushing it. It's hard for this Corky to go down because it's so light. Right there. Right there. Let it sink. I'm about to tie on this NOBN shrimp. Go ahead and do a loop knot. this trout. Let it go. Ouch. Spit it out, buddy. Thank you. Wait, what did you catch it on? Ooh. Got a nice fish, dude. Shit. Oh, that's a nice one. Dude, slab. You think so? There's no way. Exact 20, bro. There you go, buddy. There he goes. Wrong way, bud. Bro, I'm about to catch one bare hand, bro. Get out of here, buddy. All right, guys, so we just caught that nice trout on this pink NOBN. Oh my God. Yeah. No way, bro. What? Oh, dude. Stud. Huh? No way. Bro, this is a stud, bro. No way, bro. They just freaking blew up right there. Oh my God. Freaking choked it, dude. It's a reviver. Oh, she was ready to go, bruh. This was supposed to be white line. Dude, we're freaking crushing it with this NOBN shrimp. This is actually my first time using them. And I definitely picked a good day for them. Alright guys, I'm so sorry about not having a second angle. I do have the camera, but for some reason GoPro just sucks and it just keeps turning off on me every single time. Oh my God. Bro, what? Huh? Bruh. I hope if it's a red, but I don't know, he freaking jumped right here, dude, up front. Yeah, it's a trout, bro. Yeah, bring the net. Holy macaroni, bro. Bring the net, bring the net. No mames, way. Bro, huge trout on the NOBN shrimp. Bro, he's barely up. Bro, Chris! Oh my God, bro! PB, bro. Yeah. PB, bro.
There it is.
Holy macaroni. Holy shit, bro, what? Guys, we just freaking landed this huge trout. Appreciate it, Chris, for landing it for me. That's the GG crew.
Got a cool guy on name too.
Woo, bro, we just freaking rocked this huge trout. I mean,
That's a bazooka.
we got a straight 1847 right here, guys. Look at that. On the NOBN shrimp. How much you think it weighs?
That's a 6-pound.
That's a 6-pound.
That's a trout.
6. Fat.
It's by your PD right there.
You got the measure.
Just come here, I appreciate it.
What's the
Huh?
25 and a half almost. Yeah, 25.
Freaking trout.
25 and a half.
Beautiful trout that we just landed. We're trying to revive her so we can send her back. I think she's ready.
Ooh.
Let me cover my nose real quick though. Jesus. You want to do create a loop with your mono, run your main line through here, and just twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then run 6 back that way again on top, overlapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then run that same line right back to that loop again and just cinch it down. Look at that. Just go ahead and cut off your tag ends and you're ready to go. All right, so I went ahead and put a K-tail on here, mullet color with the 1/4 jig head on the Stratic. This is how you do the knot for the swim baits. Go ahead and do a knot, create a loop just like that, grab your lure, run it through there, and then run it right back to that same loop. And then do a knot right on top, just like so. And there it is. There's your loop knot. Well, I'm gonna have to clean the reel after this. Good trout, bro. Cast it real close to the wall. No, man, don't. Yeah, after that one, don't go past that one because I keep getting snagged over there on the other one. Another beautiful speckled trout. Oh my god, dude's got some shoulders on him. Freaking choked it. On the K-tail. That's good. Listen. Whenever I tell you it feels so good to take off everything, I mean it. Once I got back to the car, I took off the waders. I even had ski pants on from whenever I went to New Mexico. I took those off. They were drenched in sweat, which it was still very cold. It kept me very warm as well. This trip was definitely worth it. I had a feeling we were gonna come here and destroy them. Eric is also very good to tell when it's gonna be like a hot bite. But I mean, whenever there's hot water coming out from the plant and it's freezing out, these fish want to stay in the warm water, and that's exactly what they were doing there, and we freaking tore them up. I think the biggest one that I caught today was 26.5, which is very, very rare to find now in these days. It was definitely a good trip. I will definitely do it again. Drive these 3 hours, walk in that mud for a full hour, and that walk right there is definitely going to put you to the test if you're athletic or not athletic, because I almost fell twice because my boot got stuck in that mud, and you're going down about 3 inches or 4 inches of mud, so it was very, very sticky in that mud. But I'm glad that I'm out of it. I'm gonna head back home. I'm actually pick up some food, eat, and head back home. But I also want to say thank you to Saltwater Samurai for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in some leaders, I'm going to be putting them down in my description so y'all can check them out and go get some and catch some big old bull rigs. But let me go ahead and get focused on this road, and let's dry up, grab some good food, and head back home.